Good morning, children. Today we are going to see about 10th standard geography, unit 3, part 2, component of agriculture. Agriculture. Agriculture is the process of producing food for people, fodder for cattle, fiber, and many other desired products by the cultivation of certain plants and the raising of domestical animals. Then types of farming. There are six types of farming. First one is subsistence farming. Second one is shifting agriculture. Third one is intensive farming. Fourth one is dry farming. Fifth one is mixed farming agriculture. Sixth one is terrace cultivation. First one is subsistence farming. A considerable proportion of farmers in the country practice subsistence farming. Farming's agriculture land is small, and then farmers are very poor. They can't apply the modern inputs. They are grow the crops with the help of the family members. Their preference is given to the food crops, sugarcane, oil seeds, cotton, jute, and tobacco. And Punjab and some parts of Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, and Madhya Pradesh or subsistence family farming is practiced. Second one is shifting agriculture. This type of agriculture is performed by the tribal peoples. They do the cultivation in the piece of forest land in 3 years. Then they move to new areas, and that process will be repeated. They cultivate grains and vegetable crops, and it is also called as slash and burn cultivation. In Assam, this cultivation we call Joom. Then Kerala we can call as Poonam, and then Andhra Pradesh and Odisha we call Podu, and various parts of Madhya Pradesh we called Bivar, Mashan, and Penda and Bira. Then third one is intensive farming. It is an agricultural intensification and mechanization systems. Intensification means is an increase of productivity per acre. That is called intensification. And mechanization, it means is the process of using agriculture greatly increasing from workers productively. That is called mechanization. It aims to maximize yields from available land through various means such as heavy use of pesticides and the chemical fertilizers. This type of farming applied to the raising of livestock with billions of animals in indoor. It is known as factory farms. It's practiced in Punjab, parts of Rajasthan, and Uttar Pradesh and Madhya Pradesh. And third one is dry farming. This type of farming is practical in an arid areas. Arid areas means very dry areas. The crops grown generally with the help of the irrigation are also grown under dry farming. Yields are generally low. And then driver part of the Rajasthan is Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh. And then for fifth one is mixed farming agriculture. Mixed farming is defined as a system of farm which includes crop production, raising livestock, and poultry, and then fisheries and beekeeping, and then etc., to sustain and satisfy as many needs of the farmer as possible. Then sixth one is terrace cultivation. It is practiced in hilly areas where the lands are in slopy nature. The hill and mountain slopes are the cut to form terrace, and the land is used in the same way as in permanent agriculture. Soil erosion is also checked due to the terrace cultivation. It is in Punjab and Meghalaya, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Himachal Pradesh, and Uttarakhand. In Tamil Nadu, some places also. Then major crops of cultivation in India, that is food crops. The crops are divided into the 4 crops. First one is food crops, then cash crops, and then plantation crops. Fifth one is horticulture crops. First one is food crops. Food crops include cereals and pulses, and amongst which rice, wheat, jowar, bajra, maize, barley, ragi and gram are important. First one is rice. India is the second largest producer of rice in the world. Its temperature for growing is 24 degrees Celsius and the annual rainfall it is 150 centimeter. It is shown in three ways. First one is broadcasting, second one is ploughing and drilling, third one is transplanting. And then producing states, West Bengal and Uttar Pradesh, Punjab, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Bihar, Odisha, Assam and Haryana. And then wheat, second most important crop of the country, wheat. It is for sowing temperature for 10 to 15 degrees Celsius. For reaping temperature is 20 to 25 degrees Celsius. And then producing states, Uttar Pradesh, Punjab, Haryana and then Rajasthan and Madhya Pradesh. Jowar means it is in Tamil we can say it is solam. It is a third important food. It is rich in carbohydrates, protein, minerals and vitamins. It's producing states Maharashtra, Karnataka and Madhya Pradesh. And then barley. It is an important cereals of our country. It is being poor man's diets. Then places of producing is Rajasthan and Uttar Pradesh. And then pulses. It includes a large number of crops which are mostly rich in vegetable protein. They are used as a human food and feeding cattle. Madhya Pradesh and Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan, Maharashtra and the Andhra Pradesh. Second one is cash crops. The crops which are cultivated from the commercial purpose we are called that is cash crops. First one is sugar cane, second largest producer in the world. It provides raw material for the sugar industry. It provides sugar, gur and gandasari and then molasses for alcohol industries. Then baggages for the paper industries. India is the third ranked in the sugar production. First place in Cuba, second place in Brazil, third place is in India. Then Uttar Pradesh is the leading production of sugarcane and the Maharashtra, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu and Gujarat also. Then cotton. It is provide raw material to the largest industry. Rank about second. Then next to China. Then Gujarat, Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh and Punjab. Then jute. It provides raw material for the jute industries, manufacturing for gunny bags and then carpets, hosans and ropes, strings, rugs, cloths and then tarpaulins. So Bengal is the leading state and the Assam and Meghalaya also. Then oil seeds. It is derived from the number of crops like groundnut and rape seeds and mustard, sesame and linseed, sunflower, castor seeds and cotton seeds. Then nigger seeds. These provides oils, oil cakes, making for lubricants and varnish, medicine and perfumes, but candles, soaps and cattle feed. Then Gujarat is the largest leading state in India for oil seeds and Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, AP also the following. Next one is plantation crops. Plantation crops are cultivated in large estates on hilly slopes. Purpose for cultivation is exports. Then tea, coffee, rubber and spices are the major plantation crops of India. First one is tea. Tea plants requires high rainfall but its roots cannot tolerate waterlogging. Two major varieties in tea. Poha, that is originate from China. Then Assamica, it is from India. Then India's second largest producer of the tea after China. Then Assam is the largest producer in India. Tamil Nadu, Kerala and West Bengal also producing tea. And then coffee. It is grown in shades. There are two main varieties of coffee. First one is Arabica. It is high quality. Second one is Robusta. It is inferior quality. And then rubber. Rubber is first established in Kerala in 1902. Needs hot and wet climate conditions. Temperatures above 20 degrees Celsius and rainfall about 300 degrees Celsius. And then areas are Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Karnataka and Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Then spices, there are used for flavoring and tempering, for cooking, for preparing medicines, and then dyeing, etc. Then pepper, chilies, turmeric, ginger, cardamom, clove and areas, and then it's Kerala is the leading producer of these spices. Then fourth one is horticulture crops. It refers to the cultivation of the fruits, flowers and vegetables. It provides essentials, minerals, vitamins, fibers required for maintaining health. Then second position in the producing of fruits and vegetables, it is production of apple in the Himachal Pradesh and Jammu Kashmir and Uttar Pradesh, and production of banana in Tamil Nadu, Maharashtra. Then production of orange in Maharashtra, Uttarakhand, Himachal Pradesh and Jammu Kashmir and Tamil Nadu and Karnataka. Production of grapes is in Uttarakhand, then Himachal Pradesh and Jammu and Kashmir, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu and Maharashtra. India contributes 13% of the world's production of the vegetables.